guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make vegan lasagna for dinner, so I thought I would take you guys through what I put in it and how I put it together and let you guys see the finished delicious product. So let's get started. First I'm gonna prep the veggies that go into the sauce of the lasagna. So I like an onion, a bell pepper, a few mushrooms, and artichoke hearts. And it just will make the whole thing better because why would we not want a million vegetables in the lasagna? I'm gonna saute these veggies. Add the artichoke hearts. Next we're gonna add the Gardein beefless grounds. And I've used the Beyond Beefy Crumbles as well, but this is just what they had today and they were out of them at Sprouts. Next I'm gonna add all of these jars of tomato sauce. So I have the Sprouts organic garlic, the tomato basil, and then a bunch of diced fire roasted tomatoes. The last couple of things I'm going to add into the sauce is 1 head of chopped garlic, and I like to add it later just so that it stays really strong. And then I have some leftover wine because I never drink a whole bottle, so it's kind of gone past the point where I want to drink it out of the glass, so I'm just going to add it to the sauce. One of my favorites. So it should be really good in here. So red wine, fresh garlic. We're not gonna skimp on the red wine, we're just gonna go for it. And then stir that in and just let it slow cook.
How would you do that?
While the sauce is slow cooking, we're gonna prep the other layer, which is the green layer. And today I'm just using Sprouts organic frozen broccoli, and I'm gonna do 2 bags because, like I said, I wanna make 2 lasagnas. And then I'm gonna take a huge bowl of this baby kale and just rip it to shreds to mix in with the broccoli for the green layer. And then for the cheese layer, I use Treeline. This is the herb garlic flavor, and it is so good. This is honestly like what turned me real vegan and not cheegan, because I was craving cheese when I first went vegan so much. And this stuff completely cured my cheese craving. I'll put it here so you can see it. And it was on sale at Kroger. Yay! Yay! So I got 4 of them. So this is going to be the ricotta layer with the Treeline cheese. Yeah. And then for the top cheesy layer, I got the Follow Your Heart Parmesan shreds. And it melts really well, but it just has like a good flavor. It's not like an artificial gross type cheese. Meat eaters have eaten this lasagna before and they love it. Also, this lasagna is adapted from John Joseph's veggie lasagna. If you've seen that video, it's so good. This recipe is really, really similar to his. I mix things up a little bit differently, put a few different vegetables in my sauce, but other than that, it's very similar. Now we have our green layer done. Our red sauce is done, and we can start assembling. Alright, now it's time to assemble, and we're going to leave the noodles uncooked because they will cook in the oven. So don't worry about cooking them. These are not any kind of special no-bake noodles. They're just normal lasagna noodles, not cooked. First we do a layer of the sauce. Nope, now we do a layer of the cheese, which this is the ricotta replacement. The Treeline cashew garlic cheese.
I'm going to do the other one.
And I just take little pinches. Yeah, Rep, I'll let you assemble the next one.
I'll assemble the next one. That's exciting. You do this one.
We love to.
What if we dipped in rice cakes in that? Would that taste good?
That would be kind of weird, I think. It's like, why? Why would you dip rice cakes in it? I don't know.
How about we dip spinach in it?
No. Now I'm going to do a green layer.
The green layer is that.
mix of shredded greens and steamed, broken up broccoli. Stop, put it down. Did you wash your hands yet?
No.
Go wash them. Now we do another noodle layer. I'm gonna do the other layer, Reb. You can do the next lasagna, okay? Because remember, we have 2 lasagnas. Okay. Okay. Smells good and winey. Just spill sauce everywhere.
That is fine.
It's fine, you say?
There's 2 little paws. So, one is with dots.
I may have made too much sauce even for 2 lasagnas. I might have to make 3 lasagnas. Maybe not, we'll see. I'll be generous with this sauce layer.
We can't do it to the top of the roof. That'll mess it up.
Well, you think you need another layer on top, so it's okay. All right, now we do another cheesy layer.
My tutu. The tag is not in the back, so I have to fix this.
Are you sure it looks right?
No, I'm sure.
Okay. Another cheesy layer,
Cheesy layer.
and then another green layer.
Green layer.
You like it. Don't even act like you don't like it.
I like green
It is
layer.
not true.
I just don't like
It is not true. You eat them all the time.
them. No, I don't.
You love this lasagna. You ask for it and you love it. And every time I put a green layer in it. Now another uncooked noodle layer.
I want to do
You can do the whole next lasagna. I'll let you do the whole thing by yourself.
like the sauce,
The whole thing. Sauce, everything.
the cheese, the
Everything. All you.
noodles.
Thanks. I did make a ton of sauce.
I don't know why. You shouldn't make that ton of sauce. That is too much.
I will. Alright, and then the very last layer.
Don't do that. Oh, can I do that, cheese?
On the next lasagna. Let me do this one, and then you can do the whole next one.
I'm gonna do that.
This cheese smells like real Parmesan. Like, it's an amazing
It does.
substitute.
It does. I like that kind. I like
Sprinkle it on
this.
top.
It used to be in the bag, but
No, that's their, that's the Follow Your Heart mozzarella. I like this kind better.
one time they said they don't have a different mozzarella cheese, but now, and they told us that there was a different kind, and I was like, ah.
All right,
Okay.
there it is, assembled and uncooked. Now we cover it with aluminum foil and bake it at 350 for an hour.
I'm going to do this one, camera.
Lasagna just came out of the oven. It's been in there for an hour, so let's check it out. Oh yes.
We got it.
Just to make sure that the noodles are cooked through, I'm gonna poke it with a fork. Yep, perfect.
Have a bite.
In just a minute.
No, that's food.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be great. All right, so this is still burning hot, but I'm starving, so I can't wait to eat it. Also, the Hatchimal in our house is going nuts. I don't know if you guys have those, but they require a lot of care. They're like real babies. Ooh, look at that. You see all the layers? Yes.
You know what? And they push their nose at the egg, and then they come out. We have to help it, so and my mom got it out for me, and my mom's helping me. So yeah, that's all I need to tell you.
So yeah, this lasagna is amazing. Make yourself some. Enjoy it. Share it with your friends. Or don't eat it all. Yes, it's lovely. Y'all have a good week.